Hey guys, so I'm about to review this apple. I'm not sure which apple it is, but I will figure it out when I eat it. It is a little bit red and green and yellow. If this is what I think it is, I'll be able to tell. Crunchy. Sweet, interesting. I'm on the fence about this being a Pink Lady or Honeycrisp, but I think it's... I think it's a little less sweet than a Honeycrisp. Might be the season. But the crunch is great and the sweetness is great. And guys, if you ever get your hands on a Honeycrisp, which is a hybrid of 2 apples in America, definitely try it if you like crunchy apples that are sweet or slightly sweet.